let's move on to remaining two classes that complete the interface to R2. Go to the UI folder and let's create two new files. Set number widget. And also we need a create rig button file. Great. So before we dive into the code, let's talk structure. So the block for entering the number of control joins, let's take a look at how it looks like in the final result. So the block for entering the number of control joins is almost identical to the object selection block we already created. It has the same layout with a title, a group box, status label, field to input something. So the difference only in this field to input some information. So in set object widget we used a line edit and a button. In this one we are going to create we will use a spin box. So technically we could create a single base class for all these three blocks and pass different content widgets to this level, to our input field, and that would be cleaner and more object-oriented solution. However, since this workshop aimed for the beginners and intermediate users, I choose a more straightforward approach for now. I will duplicate some structure between widgets to make things easier to understand. So later you can refactor these classes to reduce duplication, and it would be a great object-oriented practice exercise. I will stay this for you. So I hope that is clear. Let's proceed with the current approach. Let's open the set number widget and just copy and paste some code from set object widget and slightly modify it. As I said, we can stay almost everything. We have to change only our input level. So we don't need an input layout in our new class. Instead, we will add a spin box on this level. So let's do this. Of course, we need to use a self. We have to use it like an attribute because we are going to take this number to our final goal from another class. So self elements number widgets q spin box. Let's set range for this spin box. I will use this set range from 0 to 1000. I suppose that it will be more than enough. Okay, and of course we have to add this widget to our group box layout. We don't need to change our status label, so we can just set something like a set number of elements here. Also, what do I don't need here? I don't need a type of object because we don't need to check for an object type in this block. So I delete this from here. And yes, of course we have to change the name of this class, set number widget to code. Yeah, that's it. I suppose that's it. Yeah, our new block is ready. So now let's add this widget to the main interface. Go to the main UI main, and let's add the import first. From point set number widget, import our class set number widget. Then create and attach it a new variable, object number block, our set number widget. The title is number of elements. And the main layout add widget, our object number block. What else? Yeah, I suppose that's it here, but of course we need to add this widget to the reload logic before running the tool. Let's do this. Let's also in advance adding our create rig button too here. 2 new imports and reload all of them. Great. So now let's create a final element, our button that will trigger the rig building process. So let's open our create rig button Python file and let's create this. We need only PySide6 import Qt widgets. Let's create a class create rig button. Will be Qt widgets Q push button. Almost the same. So the same init file, of course, as usual. Init method with the super init method. And we can just pass a name of our button to the super init method like this. Before the parent, we just passed here our name create rig. That's it. So that's enough for now. And also we have to add this to our main window. Add the import create rig button. We are creating the variable here, create rig button. And add widget to our layout. Let me check. Yep. So great. Now we have all the necessary elements of our interface. So let's check. Let's run. And yeah, I suppose that's it. We have 3 blocks. We have a push button. Great. Good job. So in the next step, we will start connecting logic to these user interface elements to build the actual functionality.